video, I'm going to show you the cutting of Kalidar kurta. So I've already given you the formula for it. So you can see it in the beginning as to how you need to cut the fabric. And I am using a plain fabric so that it will be very clear when I draw the patterns. But this is 42-inch width fabric. You can do the same on 36-inch width also. So first to start with, I have taken the length first. First you measure the length. See, I need 40-inch length of this Kalidar kurta. I'm starting from here and I'm going to mark here. Okay, so 41-inch I'm taking because my full kurta length I need 40-inch. So 1 inch extra for the hem below. And I'm not leaving on the shoulder seam allowance because the shoulder will be on a fold. First, I'm going to cut the center panel first. And the width of that I've already given to you. It is 7.5 inches. The center seam on fold. Okay, so that formula is actually 0 to 2, which I will be calculating. 0 to 2 is half of center back. My across back is 14.5. So I am taking 7.5 inches. Okay, including the seam allowance. I've also added the seam allowance. Now, first you mark the length at 41 inches and you can fold it here. See, now I have cut 7.5 on fold. Okay, the width, this is the center panel, and I'm going to fold it into half of this panel so that folded this into half. And again I'm having one more fold here on top because this is going to be our shoulder fold. We are not going to join on the shoulder. So now I'll show you. This is two folds. Can you see? This is for the front and this is for the back. So, and this is 7.5 inches width and 41 inches length. See, exactly 41 inches length. So this is on fold here, single fold here, and there will be double fold here because this is for the front and that is for the back. See, if I take out like this, you will know that this is for the front panel, this is for the back panel. Okay, so the center panel is cut and ready. So I'll be cutting the front. I will show it to you. See, now for the center panel, let's mark the neck. See, now let's calculate the neck width and neck depth. Okay, so how we calculate is the chest 34 inches divide by 12. Okay, 2.8 inches. This kurta I'm making for myself. So the chest is 34 inches. So I'm doing for that. So if your chest is 36 or 38, the formula will be the same for the neck. Okay, you can divide 38 by 12 and you will get the neck width. So for me it is 2.8 inches. So I'm going to mark here 2.8. For the back neck depth, it's going to be 1 inch. So I'm going to mark here 1 inch. Okay, first we'll mark the back neck depth. Okay, so just draw a line here like this. Okay, so this is the back neck depth. Now let's mark the front neck depth also. So for the front neck depth, it's going to be 2.8. That is same as 0 to 11. So that is going to be again for the front neck depth, it's going to be 0 to 13. So that is 2.5 inches. So which will come here. That is front neck depth. Okay. See, this is still on fold. Okay. So now I'm going to draw here. So this is the front neck depth. Now we will only cut the back neck depth first, and then we'll take out this separately and cut the front neck depth. So I'm going to cut the back neck depth first. Okay, so the back neck is cut. Now for the front, so this is the back. Okay, this is the back neck depth. Now I'm going to cut the front neck depth. As I told you, this is going to be straight here, so I'm just going to cut the front neck. See, take out like this. This fold is going to be for the back neck depth. Okay, and this is going to be the front neck depth. It's going to be like this. Can you see? So when you open it up, this is how it should look. Can you see? See, this is the back neck depth and this is the front neck depth. So we will be stitching the placket here. There will be a placket here, so which I will show it to you later. We have finished the center panel for the kurta. So I'm just going to fold this and keep it aside. We need to cut the side panel. For side panel, we need to take 34.3 inches length of fabric, folded into half like this, 9.2 inches. Okay, then we will mark here, which is actually how I get here. I will tell you. This is 5 to 7, which I have given you in the cutting of the paper pattern. For the side panel, the width should be 9.2 inches. I have folded because I calculated and then I have folded. So how I calculate is 34 inches, just divide by 12, you will get 2.8. Okay, you have to minus 0.5, where you will get 2.3. So plus seam allowance this side and this side, you have to add 0.3 plus 0.3, you will get 2.9, which is 3 inches. So I'm going to mark here 3 inches. This is the smaller width of the panel. And then for this measurement, I calculated 34 divided by 6, I get 5.6 plus 0.3 this side seam allowance and plus 0.3 this side, I get 6.2. So I have folded here and marked, see here, 6.2. So 6.2 plus 3. So the same way you mark down also. Okay, so you will mark here down 3 inches and you will get 6.2 here. See, 6.2 here. That's how I calculated. Okay, now we will have to connect this to here. Okay, so you can connect like this. Like this. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, and this is on fold, so we have another 2 pieces. So we have 4 side panel pieces, so which I am going to cut now. So we have 4 panels of side panel. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 2 for front and 2 for back. Okay, so this also I'm going to keep it. Next we'll see how to cut the sleeves. Now we are going to cut the sleeves for this Kalidar kurta. This I have taken 16 inches because my sleeve width is going to be 8 inches. And how I got this 8 inches? It is actually 34 chest. You have to divide by 34 divide by 4, which gives 8.5. Minus, you have to minus 1 inch. So that gives you 7.5. 7.5 plus seam allowance, I am taking 0.5 here. It is little extra. You can actually take 7.5 plus 0.3, but I am taking plus 0.5, which is 8 inches. So 8 plus 8 is going to be 16 inches. I'm going to fold it here like this. Okay, so this is for 2 sleeves. So if you see this fold here, 8 inches, and the length is 22 inches, because I will be folding here for the sleeve hem of 1.5 inch, so which I will get 19.5 inches. So this is the sleeve. Sleeve is also in a rectangle piece. So this is done. Okay. So we have finished the center panel, the side panel and the sleeve. Now cut 4 by 4 for gusset. Gusset is, it will come under underarms. Okay, for ease. So this is the gusset which will be attaching on the sleeves and to the body. Okay, so this is the gusset. How I got 4 by 4 is actually, you have to divide 34 chest, you have to divide by 8. So you get 4.25, but you can actually keep 4.25 if you want little more comfortable, but I am keeping 4 because we will be attaching like this, so much will go, so should be enough actually. So I'm cutting 4.25. If you want, you can keep 4.25 also. Okay, so 4 is ideal for 34 chest, but if it is bigger size when you cut, so you have to calculate like that and make slightly bigger, not much bigger. 4.5, it keeps going like that. Cut the placket for it. See, I have cut for the plackets 2 pieces. I have cut 3 by 10 inches for 8 inch length placket. Okay, so this is also done. So we have done the cutting for the Alidar kurta. See, now I will show you how I am going to join all these panels and everything. So this is the center panel. Okay, so I've kept here. So I will be attaching the side panel here. So the straight edge will go to the straight edges here, and then the sleeves which will come here, because this is also on fold, this is also on fold, which I will join here, and then I will attach this gusset here. That is the square piece which I will join in. So you will understand when I'm going to attach them. Okay, so then I will also do the front placket here. Actually, first to start with, I will attach the placket first, and then only I will proceed with the next attachments. Okay, so I will show you step by step how to finish this. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. So next I will be showing you how to attach the placket. You can practice it on a substitute fabric first and then proceed with the actual fabric. Okay, thank you so much.